बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। How to say fish in Urdu? Do you know how to say fish in Urdu? So if you don't know, watch this video till end and you will able to know and you will able to pronounce fish in Urdu. Okay, so let's get started. चलें शुरू करते हैं। फिश, मछली, मछली, MACHHLI, मछली, मछली, छी मछली। ओके, मछली, मछली। मीम, चे, दो चश्मे है, लाम, छोटी है, मछली, मछली, मछली। If you haven't subscribed my channel, please first subscribe my channel, then like this video and share this video with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Tata.